A stylistic effect that you may want to add to your photographs is kind of a faded matte look. This can be done inside of the Tone Curve panel in Lightroom. In the Tone Curve panel, click on the little icon on the bottom right to access the point curve. Then hover over the left point curve until a new icon appears, and then click and drag that point up just a little bit. And then do the same on the top right, but instead this time you'll want to drag it down. This gives it a basic matte look. If you'd like to enhance it further, you can add a subtle S-curve to the image. And I'll toggle that before and after so you can see just what that matte look did. This effect removes the contrast, softens those shadows, dulls the whites, and gives it kind of a vintage look.